What's up, Matt?
Sorry.
You're
You
good.
just fucking ruined the video, bro. Come on.
Well, today is December 1st, and you know what that means.
We are doing something on this channel that we have never done before.
I don't think anyone's quite done this before, honestly.
Yeah, I think you're the first to do it.
It's the biggest Christmas advent calendar, probably the most expensive, totaling around a little above $5,000.
And it's car themed. Let's go!
Well, basically, this is going to be a Christmas advent calendar for this 1994 Mustang. So we're going to be restoring it. We're going to be doing it in 25 days.
Until Christmas. So every single day, we're unboxing one of these boxes, and it's going to be going on this car.
Obviously, you guys are like, okay, well, you clearly know what's going to be behind those gifts. I do have an idea. I ordered everything. I did gift wrap everything, but then I randomly numbered from 1 to 25. So I really don't know what I'm going to be doing in what exact order. I'm hoping everything falls into place correctly.
So we'll see, I guess.
Yeah. So yeah, let's unbox box number 1.
This car right here is Roy's. He is our good friend, and he is a mechanic, and he came in clutch on the Hellcat swapped Challenger RT that we did for Roadkill Nights. But this is something that we've never done before. We're not only customizing it, we're like restoring it.
It's like a semi-restoration.
It's like you're gonna be restoring it. You're like, yeah. Look, we got some dents going on here. It's like completely dusty and just filthy, and it's time to get this thing looking right. This is the Great Wall of boxes.
Yeah, I'm still fixing some of the numbers.
It looks good, dude. You did a good job.
Thank you.
So which one's first? Where's number 1 at? Where's number 1?
In the middle, actually.
Where?
Right there.
This little guy?
Yes.
All right. Well, wait, whoa. You didn't think this through. You
What?
did not think this through. What if like, this is like a game of, what's that game? Jenga. Jenga? You know, when you pull like one of the cubes out and then the whole wall is gonna fall? Bro. Christina and I are here at Vet Lab Detroit. Obviously that is where this car restoration project is going to take place, and the Mercedes is also here as well. She's sitting here just for a while. We're temporarily keeping it here because we are gonna be epoxying the floor at the house. So she needs a place to kind of like lay low.
Day 1, what is it gonna be?
Let's find out.
Let's find out.
Her camera with my lens and my camera with her lens. That's why it just got so wide all of a sudden.
Ready?
Let's do it.
Don't, be careful.
Oh, I can't step in the shot. Okay, well, we'll watch from a distance. Have fun.
Okay.
Bro, if you don't, she's trying to precisely cut it like she's giving surgery. Bro, what are you doing? Just open it.
Careful.
What is it? What is it? Is that, oh my gosh.
Car needs a car wash.
It does.
But I think this is a good start. We got some 303 Ultra Concentrated Car Wash. Safe for all paints. That's what we like to hear.
Is it safe for rust too?
I don't think anything's safe for us.
This is just a test that I'm currently doing. I want to explain it though if you are interested. Christina's probably like, what the heck am I doing? So that lens is my lens. It's 24 millimeters. The lens on this camera is 20 millimeters. So it's wider than my lens. And there is a thing called stabilization on these cameras, which is like, if you have it off, then it's like super shaky. If you have it on, then it's very smooth. So I just turned it all the way up. And if I did that on that lens, it would be like way zoomed in. This lens is a lot wider though. So I'm just kind of walking around and seeing how, whoa, I almost slipped. How I like it. A lot of people have been commenting how shaky the vlogs have been. And so let's just try this out. You guys let me know if this is a little better.
This is the whole hood latch. Like, okay, do I just place it down here when I'm washing the car? Like, how does that work? Like, do I just vacuum all this stuff?
What is all? Oh, this car does make for a good closet. Like,
pump this up.
Yeah, that's gonna do the job. This girl.
I can't get my gift wet, guys.
Please tell me you're not just gonna wipe it after this.
Listen.
She said, I'm not gonna go in circular motions because that's bad for the paint.
Listen!
Mind you, you're doing this. Roy, if you're watching this, I'm sorry.
We're gonna clean it thoroughly tomorrow morning, guys. Okay?
So what is this, just like a pre-detail?
Yeah, this is a pre-detail.
Okay. Roy is probably sitting at home watching this, cringing very, very hard right now. That rag is probably... Did you just drag it?
No, I didn't. I know. Listen.
Oh.
Stop, Grant.
You didn't even spray the hood down, the roof. Hopefully box number 2 is not cleaning related. Now we haven't quite discussed yet how many boxes we're gonna do in per video, like per YouTube video. For her TikTok, she's doing 1 box every day, and every box is a new video. I think we'll kind of play it by ear depending on like how big or small of a part it is. But I think we'll do a couple boxes in this video, so a couple days worth. Right now it's December 1st, and there's 25 boxes. So with that being said, 25 boxes from December 1st, 1 a day. It's gonna go right up to Christmas. So December 1st was a cleaning product, and I guess we'll see what December 2nd is. There we go. Some power washing action.
There's like soap in it.
Oh my goodness. Ta-da, she is all clean. We are about to hit the road.
I didn't even take aftershots.
Oh, you might need to do that. It still looks, yeah, it still looks pretty bad. So we got a lot of work to do, but it's okay. Hi. Stay tuned. I set you guys up on the Great Wall of Presents, and we're gonna be unboxing box 2 today. You guys watch us enough to know what type of box is shaped very narrow. It's probably the wrap, like, right?
It has to be the wrap.
Yeah. Christina, what are you doing back there?
I'm aligning the boxes.
So if you guys didn't know, this car is, I think it's LS swapped. What type of LS is this? One of you car geeks knows. And it also is turboed.
What?
This flattened.
Yeah.
I didn't realize.
When did that flatten?
What did you do?
Overnight.
Really?
Yeah.
You what?
We
Well,
did
this
it.
Car's up. Yeah, it never went flat until you guys started messing with it.
Oh my god.
Like this. Whoa, that wasn't
Oh.
there. That wasn't there when I dropped my car off.
Oh.
Oh, that wasn't
That wasn't
What
that.
did you guys put on the paint?
We
That
oxidized
made
it
my
overnight,
God.
dude. Oh, crack in the
wasn't
windshield. That
cracked.
wasn't there.
Oh, shoot.
Oh. What else can we find? Smooth as a baby's butt.
My butt's pretty. Hang on.
Hey, yo. This car's on bags, bro.
It is now.
You're airing it out?
Yeah.
Airing it up.
Yeah.
Damn.
Oh, it's right there.
Oh, dang, look at that.
Right
Found
there.
it.
Leak. Yeah.
Grant's like, where's that other V6 at, bro?
Bro, I'm trying to buy the V6 that used to be in this car.
You good?
Don't scratch the paint. Yo, let's do it.
Let's do it. Come on.
It's green?
Huh?
It's green. Lime green?
No.
Oh, that's the vinyl. I was about to say, bro, lime green would look wild on this. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Look at that color. It looks like the Christmas wrapping paper. That's gonna look really good. I'll kick you.
Yeah.
Slow down.
Yes.
Slow down,
yes.
please.
Sorry.
Slow down.
No.
You can get to this in a minute.
What?
Let me see.
Lacey, what?
Bro really decided to pick the color based off of her nails. She said, I'm gonna get the same color as my nails. Get that shit out of here.
Give me the light.
Dude, this is nice.
Guys, I've been put on vlog duty.
You have been.
I also know I'm gonna be changing out the hood on this Mustang just because it looks very aggressive. It's almost too aggressive. We're gonna go more with a more subtle look. But yeah, I'm trying to make all the boxes look pretty so that like once we unboxed all of them, they're still in their rightful position, but they're just unboxed.
Position.
Okay, I don't know. Here, you're on vlog duty now. You take the camera, you're on vlog duty. Look at his F1 hoodie we got from PacSun. Thank you, PacSun.
I
It's
love
so
it.
cool.
We were in, I'll take the camera. Well, we were in Las Vegas for Las Vegas F1, and Paxton hit us up, and we went and had dinner with them, and they gave us like a bunch of swag. And so I don't know, I love it. Thank you, Paxton. Shout out. Look at that color. It looks so good laid out. Go get it, girl. Period, poo. We'll check back in with you once you finish wrapping. Bro's not even worried about YouTube. She didn't even wait for you guys. Look at that. Yeah.
So good. So
Get out of here. We don't even want to talk to you. You were not even gonna wait for us. You just wanted to get it for your TikTok.
Hey.
That's fine. I love you
told
guys. I
Brad
got
to
you
roll the
guys.
camera.
I got you guys. No, you didn't. No, that's a lie. That's a solid looking color, and this,
It's so good.
I can just imagine it across the whole car. And the new wheels, like you're gonna get new headlights. It's just gonna look so good. I'm really excited. So it is time for dinner. We're gonna go out and grab some food, and then we're coming back again in the morning on December 3rd for the third box. Here's a little taste of Vet Lab for you guys. I got a twin turbo Demon on the lift right here. Got a Jeep on a dyno. Got a crazy Hellcat right here. An R32 GTR. This one's absolutely beautiful. With a carbon fiber hood as well. More Jeeps. Wow. Jeeps are taking over the lab, huh? Got Camaros, got Corvettes. Oh, are we hiding this?
No.
Ooh.
It's a K-swap.
Oh.
What the hell is that?
Nova.
There's a Chevy Nova in the back, a G8, and a Fisker Karma on the
What the
lift.
fuck about the G8? I'm kidding.
Dang.
Like weird people own G8s. Yeah.
Isn't this LS swapped?
It is LT swap.
Oh, Jesus.
8 speed.
That's wild. Oh, shoot. Oh, dang. Oh, my gosh. We have a delivery, and it's already red. We don't need to wrap it.
I just brought some hood into the shop.
Oh, shoot. Yo, I heard it in the voice, though. It's 3, right? It's day 3 today?
It is day 3.
It's day 3.
I don't
What's
know
the,
what
oh,
today
my
is.
dad's calling me. I was gonna check the date.
You brought some hood.
Hello.
That is so funny.
Hey.
How touchy are ignition coils? Like, if I put like do.
Well, I gotta go. Last minute duty here. Well, it's the 3rd today, so you're unboxing box 3 today.
Yes, I am.
And I got a dip, and I don't have a car here either.
Oh. Go and come back. I'll be
Yeah.
here.
Okay.
Fuck.
All right. Well, I'll see you guys.
Bye. All right, guys. Let's figure out what the day 3 box is. I guess I am on my own for today's video. Ooh, we got some headlights. They're pretty smoked out, actually. They do look like the OEM SN95 headlights, but these ones are smoked out, so it looks pretty cool. So here is a closer look at the headlights. I did get some mounting hardware, but I feel like I probably can't use all of it, depending on the front bumper I'm gonna get, which is, I believe, 14 all the way over there. It might be 14 or 16. I'm not sure which box it is yet, but yes, let's figure it out. It looks like there is some type of instructions here. It also looks like Grant gave me only 10 minutes on this SD card, so I gotta make it quick. I'm just gonna keep this short and sweet. 80 zip ties later, we have one headlight mounted successfully. Of course, this is not how it's gonna be. Once I get the front bumper on and the proper hood on the vehicle, we will be mounting everything correctly. But for now, day 3 still has to happen. The show must go on. So I'm putting them on. We still gotta find the bulbs so the actual headlights do turn on. But for now, this is what one headlight looks like, and I'm about to go ahead and do the other one. My jacket's on, which means I'm probably about to dip, but here is what the headlights semi look like. This was day 3, as you can see, and day 4's box is really small, so I'm actually kind of curious what it's gonna be. We will figure out tomorrow, of course, but day 3's opened up. Yeah, this one's slouching around, but you kind of get the gist of it on this side over here. Nonetheless, as you guys saw earlier, we did get a new hood that we are going to be putting onto the car, just because this one is a little too aggressive and too big. I mean, like, this is like, what is this? A good 6 inches? That's a little too aggressive. But I will see you guys in the next clip where it's day 4. Peace.
It's day 4, and we're back. I had a little like.
Grant left me stranded at day 3.
I did. I had like a little dilemma yesterday, and so I had.
And he took my car, and he left me here.
Yeah, sorry. Emergency. So I had to tend to that, but we're back, and I'm back on the wide angle lens, just a heads up. But Christina installed the headlights and they look really good. Front end is slowly starting to come together after we get that hood on, and the front bumper is gonna look really solid. I really do dig like the nice light smoke tint on the headlights.
Yeah, I like it too.
It's a nice look. It's a
Yeah.
nice look. She got those done, and today we're unboxing
Day 4.
Day 4.
Which I don't even know where that box is.
Where are we at? Oh, wow. This is a small one. Okay. What is this, a key fob again? Let's get unboxing and see what is underneath that tiny little box.
Number 4, what do we think it is? Should I shake it?
Is it shaking?
It's there. I don't think anything's in there.
Did you forget to put something in it?
Let's see, ready? Oh.
This girl, bro.
It's wrapped.
Get. What is that small that could possibly be wrapped with something this tiny?
No, like I'm gonna be wrapping again. Like I'm gonna be using that roll.
Oh, so you're implying that this today is wrapping, but not this little bit of wrap?
No.
Okay, I was gonna say
Oh my
like,
gosh, Grant.
you can't even wrap a mirror with that.
I know.
Okay, so what panel are you wrapping today?
I don't know. I'll see.
How you doing, my boy?
Good. Appreciate
Got
you.
Garrett
Yep.
in the house.
Yep, yep.
Ed's finally made it back. This dude walks right by his own car. Hey, we need you real quick. What's your thoughts so far? Are you excited? Like,
Yeah, it looks good.
there you go. That's Roy for you.
My voice there. Modulated a little bit.
It almost modulated. All right, well, Christina just about finished wrapping up, get the pun, wrapping up the rear fender of the car, and you're gonna have to just tune into the next video to see boxes 5, 6, 7, 8, because yeah, we're out of time. So thank you guys for watching. Please hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.